Hey friends, thanks for stopping by. I'm not sure how you landed on this page or this link, but my name is Buddy and I just wanted to show you a little bit more about what this is about. It says get 3 to 5 people saying yes to taking a look at your business every single day, and this does exactly what it says it does. And you can get a system just like this one. This is one of the tabs here. You get to promote your primary offer. You can enter your webinar, presentation, video, or whatever, the link in the front here. This is a recruiting platform. You're going to get 100 leads dropped into a contact manager, and you can get to refresh those leads as soon as you go through each lead and attempt to contact them. You can refresh a whole new batch. You're going to get 20 training videos related to prospecting and follow-up, unlimited network marketing leads that we find for you. We add all your leads to your easy to use contact manager, over 15 different capture pages included. And the cool thing about these capture pages, when you share these with other marketers, the system is going to add 3 to 5 leads to your contact manager just for sharing that capture page. That's a cool thing. So you can get unlimited leads that way just by sharing the capture page too. And there's a built-in drip autoresponder that sends out emails on your behalf. Easy, duplicable way to train your team as it grows, and much more. And you're going to get this for one time $15, guys. Unlimited leads for life with this platform. I've been a part of this since 2015, and this is the one tab to the, it's called the ABC app. You're going to get daily actions, and it shows you how to relate to other people online, like wishing them happy birthday. And there's a 5-day blitz that's like surging energy into your business. And then there's a find people tab that's going to show you how to search for people and get unlimited leads. And then of course on the bottom you're going to learn how to follow up. There's a testimonials tab here. You get to add your own testimonials, and you're always at the top here. So it's going to make you look like an authority figure. There's a bunch of testimonials here. You can go on here and play all of them. So there's a testimonials tab. And this is the main page you're going to land at. There's 20 different training videos, and then you get to add your opportunity, your webinar, and this is what it's going to look like when your members come to see what you're doing online with your business. They're going to tap here. It's going to go to your business, your opportunity, and there's 3 levels to this. The basic one is called the P1. You get 20 leads per day at P1, and then after you go through those 100 leads, P1, you're going to get, when you refresh a whole new batch, you're going to get 20 leads per day. At P2 or P1, it's a one-time $15, and then to upgrade to P2, it's an additional 100 and a quarter, and you're going to get about 60 to 70 leads per day dropped into your contact manager. Then there's the done for you. Okay, so when you want more leads, you just want to make sure that you attempted to contact your leads. You just click that tab right there where it says need more leads. You're going to have a contact manager here. As you see, I went through over almost 12,000 leads. You get the name of the person, the company, and their phone number and their email. And then you just attempt to contact them. There's just a few things that are going to happen. You're going to be able to get a hold of them. They're going to say yes, they're going to say no, or the number's disconnected. Then there's going to be a copy and paste. So this is the script. It's a 30-second script, and you just go to training, and it's very simple. It's a 30-second script, and it gets right down to the point to qualify and disqualify the leads. There's something that's called happy with the company. These are for the people that are a part of a business already, because they're not trying to cross recruit or steal anybody from any other opportunities. And then this way, if they're in recruit mode and they're looking for people for their business, you're just going to tell them in a nutshell that you have people that are ready to join a business, and if you want to get more details, then you can send them a link. Then you can share this system with them, which is the MLM Recruit on Demand system. It's $15 one time, and it's an affiliate program. You get to add your own pay link So if you want to use Stripe, you can use that. You want to use Cash App, you can do that. If you want to do like cash or money order or whatever pay merchant that you have, you can use that to share the system. So P1, it's 15 bucks one time. P2, that's the pro version where you get 3 times the amount of leads. It's a one time, 1.25, and you get to earn $100 when you share, when people upgrade to P2 with you. There's a cool bribe offer that you're going to learn in this system where how you can get people signed up by using a cool bribe that Ryan Gunnis teaches you. It's where you're going to be able to waive the fees on P2 where they just have to pay the admin fee. So if you have a high ticket offer and you say, hey, if you join my high ticket offer, I'm going to give you the P2 for absolutely waive those fees, and you just have to pay the admin fees. You're going to get 3 times the amount of leads, and you're going to get you're going to get massive people looking at your business. And just imagine having your whole team do this, calling their leads up. There's people that have grown humongous teams doing exactly what this system teaches. So this is how you get 3 to 5 leads minimum looking at your business every day. And guys, this is very undervalued. I wouldn't pass this up. I definitely would use this as my flagship offer, getting people into this first before they get into your primary opportunities. That way they know how to properly invite people to the business, and they're not being left wondering with everything else when it comes to recruiting and getting people involved. So this is MLM Recruit on Demand. I wanted to just kind of clarify this. If you landed on this page, this is how you can get 3 to 5 people, bare minimum, looking at your business every single day. You get 100 MLM leads dropped into your contact manager, and you can earn $15 commissions up to $100 commissions. And this is very powerful, guys. So click the button around this video somewhere, and it's going to lead you to a capture page. You're going to meet Ryan Gunnis on that presentation page. He's going to explain in detail more on how this works and how powerful this is, my friends. So I'll see some of you guys on the inside, and thank you guys for watching. God bless.